This video shows the production process of a high-quality Australia-type shutter door machine. Steelmama is an influential role-forming machine supplier in China. This machine works extremely efficiently. The frame panel thickness is 16, which is more stable. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within plus or minus 1 millimeter. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.